क्या लगे मैं आपको क्या लगे?
Mehvish Jan, who scored 681 out of 720 in NEET 2024 and made it to GMC Srinagar. Mehvish, please आइए. So we'll be felicitating Mehvish.
Congratulations, Manish. Also, like pertinent to mention that she was a 2-year classroom student.
Yes.
And made it in her first attempt, which is great.
Great. Congratulations.
Really incredible. And we wish you all the best for your future endeavors.
Yes. Can we have the frame? So let's felicitate.
Congrats.
और एक छोटा सा सर दीजिए.
Okay, so
ओपन करें. I think यहाँ से.
can I help?
आप प्लीज.
क्या लगे मैं आपको क्या लगे? Oh, one more I
लीजिए मैं भी प्लीज. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. ये आपने इतनी मेहनत की तो ये छोटा सा तोहफा. Congrats again.